Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Leonardo AI image to image Leonardo AI tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Leonardo AI is an advanced artificial intelligence platform that specializes in creating and manipulating images with remarkable precision. So this leverages cutting-edge techniques in deep learning to understand and generate visual content based on your instructions. Whether you want to create stunning artwork, design prototypes, or even enhance photos, Leonardo AI offers a powerful set of tools that allows you to turn your ideas into visual reality. By providing clear instructions and direction or reference, you can guide the AI to generate images that matches your vision. So whether you're a professional designer, artist, or simply looking to explore the world of AI-assisted image creation, Leonardo AI opens up exciting possibilities for creating and manipulating visuals in a way that was once considered science fiction. So on this tutorial, we'll try something like this as well. So we're going to be using AI image prompt in Leonardo, which is a feature that allows you to provide one or more images to guide the AI in generating a specific image. So instead of relying solely on text description, we will use images as reference to convey your desired outcome. So this will help the AI better understand your creative vision, resulting in more accurate and tailored image generation. Now to get started, here on Leonardo AI, you'll just need to visit their website, which is leonardo.ai, and once you're in here, just simply click on to create an account. Now right after, you need to be whitelisted to be able to sign in. So for you to be able to get the early access list, you'll need to register below. So you'll need to add in your name in here and then your email and then click on to count me in. And there are a few steps that you need to do in there. Just follow the prompts and then you're good to go. So once you're done with that, you'll just need to simply click again onto the create an account button and click on this yes, I'm whitelisted. Now, right after clicking onto that, you'll have the option to log in with Apple, Google, Microsoft, or you could add in your email in here, your password. If you forgot it, you could simply click onto this button in here, and then right after, simply click onto sign in. And then right after logging in, you'd be able to see Leonardo AI's dashboard. So as you can see in here, these are the featured models that they have on Leonardo AI. If you click this a small help button in here, you'd be able to see the get started button. So if you're new, this is helpful since if you need help with figuring out what's what, we'll guide you around the platform. And then here onto the bottom part, then you'd be able to see the recent creation. And right here onto the left side, we have your Leonardo AI's logo and the token that you have. So this actually resets in 10 hours. It may take up to an hour to update your token. So let's talk about this one. In the context of Leonardo AI tokens, so these are actually fundamental units of information that help the artificial intelligence understand and process text or image inputs. So each token that you have in here represents a discrete piece of content, such as a word or a pixel. So the number of tokens used in a task directly affects the cost, as tasks with the higher token count require more computational resources. So it is really important to be mindful of token limits when using Leonardo AI because exceeding them can result in incomplete or inaccurate results. If you need more, you'll just need to simply click onto this upgrade in here and you'd be able to see the different plans that Leonardo offers. Now let's go back to the dashboard. So we actually have the home open in here already. You could actually browse onto the community feed in here. You also have your personal feed. We have here the training and data sets, the fine-tune model as well that you could choose. So here are the different fine-tune models that they offer. We have your photo reel, RPG V5, SDXL 0.9, and many more. So feel free to browse onto all of that. So we also have here the different user tools. We have here the AI image generation, AI canvas that is available on beta, and texture generation available also in alpha. So we have here the settings, the fact and help, and you could log out in here and the terms of service. To get started into creating our generation in here, it's time to choose a fine-tuned model. So I'll just need to simply click onto this one. We are here already. What we'll need to do is to choose one onto these different models. Now let's explore this Leonardo diffusion. So let's click onto that. and you'd be able to see the description in here. So this should be a model with incredible shading and contrast, great at both photos and artistic styles. So this is the creator for that. We have the training resolution, the category, the base model, so its name Stable Diffusion version 2.1, and the strength at medium. So let's go ahead and click on generate this with this model so that we could use this model. And right after, we've gone ahead and already see the AI image generation center. Now it's time to write in a prompt in here. So this prompt is a specific instruction, often in the form of text or an image. So this will provide you a guide on what are your desired inputs in the AI generation. So it actually serves as a creative input that helps the AI understand what you want to achieve. So we also have here the negative prompt. So let's click onto that. So these are what you don't want to see in the image. So this is additional information provided to instruct the AI on what not to include in the generated content, helping to avoid unwanted elements. Both prompts and negative prompts consume tokens, so it's essential to manage token usage effectively when crafting instructions for Leonardo AI to ensure the best possible results. So let's head on to here onto the left side. So you'll actually have an option on how many images you want to generate onto each prompt. So we have our photo reel, prompt magic, alchemy public images, and the image dimension. So you could choose onto that, the guidance scale, control net, and this feature that we could use the image prompt. So we'll need to upload or drag and drop an image to use as an input. So we could use this one as a guide for our generation. So I have here some photos that I have downloaded. So what we'll need to do is we'll just need to drag this one in here, and once it is downloaded, we could go ahead and write in a prompt. Now let's try to use this prompt that I have in here. And here we have vibrant dog frolicking in a tropical paradise, capturing the essence. Hawaii's beauty, colorful, playful, lively, realistic, intricate details. So we could try to add in a negative prompt as well in here, what we don't want to see onto the photo. So let's add in here double limbs, since that what usually happens onto AI error generation. Let's add in here human so that we don't see any human, and we could have this one generate. So as you can see, this will use 14 tokens, and as of the moment you can see that we have 150 tokens remaining. So just simply click on to generate for that. And as you can see, here are the different images that it generated. So let's simply click onto that. So as you can see, it is very bright and it looks like it resembles the Hawaiian vibe. So we have here the delete image option, the download image. So let's simply click on the download for that. You have here the copy to clipboard, the unzoom. Then we have here the remove background. Also, we have your creative upscale, upscale image alternate, HD smooth upscaler, and HD crisp upscaler. So let's take a look onto the other photos that it generated as well. So let's download this one and this, and also this one. So actually here onto Leonardo image, you could upload multiple images in here. So let's try out uploading another image so that we'll have multiple image, and let's try to see what it will generate. So let's just head over to our copies in here, and let's add in this smiling beagle in here. And also you could try to adjust the image weight, since higher values will make the output look more like the reference image. Lower the values will adhere more to the text that you have onto the generation. So let's add it in here at around 51. Now let's go ahead and try to generate again, and this will use 14 of your tokens. And here are the different images that it generated. So let's take a look onto this. And as you can see, it is more of a smiling dog, since we added another image, which is a smiling beagle. So as you can see, it is more of a smiling dog. So we could download that one. We also have here another smiling dog, and also this and this one. So you could zoom in onto that. You could also zoom out the photo. So image prompt is a powerful tool for really guiding Leonardo AI to create specific image. So even adding one image is already powerful. Multiple image will make it more powerful. So that's it. You have learned already how to use Leonardo AI image generation. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.